Yeah, yeah. True story. Years of my life, now I can't get back. No one more freedom want to take me away. My beer, my time, I never gone away. Them never want me see the light today. Don't I offer tree door, police out a door. Me keep my mouth closed, but me never keep my eyes closed. Police a run me away from door to door. Me never go, me never sell my soul. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. No more, no more, no more. No more, no more, no more. Freedom, freedom. I deserve my freedom. Freedom, freedom. Can't hold me down for long. Can't hold me down for long. Freedom, freedom. I deserve my freedom, freedom. You can't hold me down for long. Can't hold me down for long. They try to break me down. They try to take my crown. They could never take my pride. Can't take the fire I have inside. It will never die. So many people walked away from me. So many people turned away from me. Grateful for all the ones that prayed with me. Cause they opened up the sky and the Lord made a way for me. You couldn't walk a mile in my shoes. I wouldn't want to if I were you. You don't know how far I've been through. You never clue. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. No more, no more, no more. No more, no more, no more. Freedom, freedom. I deserve my freedom, freedom. You can't hold me down for long. Can't hold me down for long. Freedom, freedom. I deserve my freedom, freedom. You can't hold me down for
Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelts.
It's your girl Noir, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your
This
seatbelt.
is your girl, Shali, and I'm locked into this weekend drive with my boy, DJ Perryvilla. You better fasten your seatbelt.
This is Asabe, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is Yeza and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelt.
A rebellion, I may say I want you have an epic, Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Hey yo, big up Perryvilla Island. Bless up the massive system. Shabina don't tell them. Boom.